Position vector of a point. A vector formed by joining origin to the point P is called the position vector of point P. Earlier, we have seen a three-dimensional space in which it has x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis, and a point is taken in 3D space, and this is the origin. Initially, we represented this point by triplets, that is x, comma y, comma z. But from now on, we're gonna represent this point using the position vector by using the unit vectors too. That is x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. So here OP is represented as x I cap plus y g cap plus z k cap, where x, y, z are the triplets and I, j, k are the unit vectors, which tells about the direction of the vector. Vector formed by two position vectors. So here are the axes. One is x, one is y, and one is z. Now let's take a vector AB. A will be the initial point and B will be the terminating point. Now, how do we find this position vector of AB vector? So, to do that, first we need to take the position vector of A and position of vector of B separately. So, how to do that? First, take the origin and with respect to origin, take the position vector of A and with respect to the origin, take the position vector of B. So, this will be in this direction and this will be in this direction. So, here the triangle law of addition comes into the picture. So it basically tells us कि OA vector plus AB vector equal to OB vector. So from here we can say that AB vector is nothing but OB vector minus OA vector, or we can also say AB is nothing but position vector of B minus position vector of A. So basically here O acts as the reference point to find the any position vector. So according to this, two vectors are given, A and B, which gives one free vector, that is AB. So we can write it as AB is nothing but B minus A. Position vector of the terminating point minus the position vector of the initial point.